Hello, everyone. Hello, trader friends. Good Saturday morning to all of you, and welcome to this special live on Altrady channel. Hello, Dimitro. We are two guys today for this special live. How are you doing, Dimitro?
Hello, Rafa. Thank you. Yeah, I'm good, but not that good after this market crash, so
As
so
everyone.
yeah, let's see how it goes. First time for me, and yeah, I hope it's gonna be great stream together.
Nice, nice. Hello, Heidi. Good morning, everyone. I see we are 15 in live, so let's have some nice time together. So, guys, what I can say, what can we even say about these markets right now? It 10 years, in 10 years of trading, I have never seen anything like this. So yesterday was absolute madness. A true Black Friday in every sense. So massive losses across nearly all asset class. Stocks down, bonds up, gold exploding, and crypto got absolutely destroyed, guys. As you can see, I have Bitcoin chart open here on Altrady, and we clearly see already a huge red candle. That is so crazy. So listen to this number. Bitcoin minus 7.3% yesterday. Ethereum minus 12.3% only 1 day candle. Ripple, look at this. Look at this candle. What is that?
Oh my God,
It's
what
minus
a candle! Oh my God.
what? Oh my god, Dimitro, look at this. What is I never
Yeah.
seen a candle like this before. Maybe on February, February, and then we gonna realize why this candle is same like this candle that we have seen on February 3rd.
Good time for
Litecoin,
scalping.
yeah, good time for scalping, guys. If you we are here also for scalping this weekend. It's gonna be so interesting for all scalpers. Litecoin minus 23% and so on. If we keep tracking all the crypto chart, look at this. Cardano minus 22. Solana it's minus 14. What we can say, everything is in the red. Double digit losses everywhere. It's like pure heart attack territory. Right,
Rafa,
Dimitro?
I
What can you
have I
say?
have only one question to you. Only one question. Your portfolio is alive?
My portfolio is alive, of course. What about yours?
Yeah, it's 50-50, It's almost okay. Yeah, so charts, yeah, really going crazy, and I see people saying they never seen this kind of wipeout before, actually. But yeah, we need to calm down, everyone, for a second, because this isn't the end of the world. Yes, it's already happens with us. It's not a black swan, and it's not some like a cosmic disaster. But it just once again, yeah, our good old prankster friend Donald Trump, yeah, same as Elon Musk in Twitter. So yeah,
Yeah, on Truth Social as well. But for us as European, we cannot use Truth Social because it's allowed only in United States. But yeah, was like exactly the man with the golden hair and the market moving tweets did it again. It's crazy. It's crazy, guys. I can see Kata also mentioned that yesterday was like a crazy and massive losses. My portfolio, of course, we're gonna talk a bit more later about like some analysis, but my portfolio is still alive. And actually, I think this is a good opportunity for everyone to increase the size, but we are not here for financial advice. So let's start from the source of the chaos. All right. So what happened, guys? What happened? Trump, in pure Trump style, dropped a bombshell. So the US will impose an additional 100% tariff on all Chinese goods starting November. So that message instantly set off panic. Basically, it's another declaration of a new trade war, round two against China. And we have seen this movie before, right? But in February, let me show you. Let me show you guys the chart. In February, as you can see, Bitcoin it dropped at the same situation as now. He went live on TV. I don't remember if you remember it. He went live with like a chart full of tariff numbers, and boom, the market just literally crashed as it happened today.
Yeah,
Dimitro, do
right.
you remember?
Yeah. I remember that one actually. You're talking about that, and I'm really I remember that one. So Bitcoin dropped almost 15%. Yeah, 15-18%, something like that.
Yeah,
So yeah, and altcoins of course followed like scared sheep. Yeah, that happens every time. But yeah, then few days later, everything stabilized and bounced back hard. So yeah, just like that. So no panic, guys. This isn't our first Trump-induced roller coaster. He likes doing this type of things. So yeah, he shoots, market shake, and then they calm down again. Rafa, what do you think about that?
yeah, you're absolutely right. So, yeah, all right, guys. Before diving into the charts, as everyone will like to, so let's see the scene. So yesterday was a day of synchronized panic. As we said, US index down, bonds up, gold rising. It's like a classic flight to safety scenario, but crypto, unfortunately, or I could say fortunately for like traders as us, if they manage their portfolio well, they drop very badly. But it's a good now time for increase the size. So, what you think, Dimitro, about like what we have seen on the crypto?
Yeah, of course, crypto was easiest target, as always, when macro fear hits. So institution dumps everything labeled like a risk, and crypto tops at least every single time. But yeah, let's take a look at that together. Let's look at the charts.
Great. Let's look at the chart, guys, together. So I also would like to see if you have any consideration about the chart. So let's start with, of course, Bitcoin. So
The dad of
here,
crypto.
yeah, exactly, the king. So here it's Bitcoin. Let's see chart together. So it violently broke up this resistance at 112K, around that. As you can see, I draw the green light previously for my analysis long time ago, and that this support had been holding for weeks, actually 4 months, started since July, as we can see. And huge volume are cascading liquidations, as we can see. Red spike on volume, and long absolutely crashed yesterday, but today it's a slower move. So let's see the weekend what we can see, and that is like not random. There is a deep buying from strong hands. As you can see, guys, the candle yesterday closed above the support. So right now is just a fake breakout. We reach the pivot level at 105 and almost touch the second main support at 100. But before closing, there was just a huge absorption. So we can clearly see a long shadow, and today is opening with like a minus 1.3%. So the situation is under control for now. Let's wait for next Monday when Wall Street will open again. Let's switch to Ethereum, because actually Ethereum got hit even harder, down, as we say, 11%. It broke the dynamic trend line, but again, a long shadow appear right on a key support. So if the price stays in this range for a couple of days, we could see a technical rebound on this support. Also, guys, as you can see, yesterday the price touched perfectly the resistant dynamic trend line on the macro picture and just bounce back on this relative support. So even on Ethereum, the situation is under control. Altcoins were total chaos. Ripple minus 15%. Ripple, it's look. Oh my God,
Oh my
Dimitro,
God,
look at this
what a
shadow.
spike! What a spike!
I would like to measure that. Is like,
I see a lot
on,
of tears in that spike.
oh my God, it's like 56% minus is. I'm sure many traders and scalper here just got liquidated by the market because
Just imagine the amount of liquidation. Oh my God.
yeah, you're totally right. And but also, guys, as you can see here, I draw many weeks, month, I mean, long time ago, this strong, stable support that holds for long, and you see the price rebounds on it many times. And even in this case, it was just fake breakout, and the price rose again in like this trading range. So and today the oh no, I mean, yeah, today the candle is in green. It's positive, like plus 4%. So there is a clear sign of healthy market, because here I'm sure many buyers just enter into it. So uh, Cardano ADA also is the same, minus 18%. Litecoin also similar to Ripple, one of the worst price action, but is today in green. So when everything sell off at once, as it happened yesterday, there is often where real bottoms form. And historically, like 20-30% single day drop in altcoin often lead to strong rebounds. So this is like a statistic, guys, as we can see just looking at the candlestick chart. Every time we see huge volatility with massive drop, there is always some technical rebounds. The fundamentals are strong, so I'm not scared of it. Just let's hope Trump will shut his mouth for a bit.
After this move, we expect all-time high as a
Yeah,
rebound.
I mean, for now, I think there will be some like trending range because before seeing new all-time high, investor should get some confidence again, and it takes time. But I just don't think it's a black swan, and it's not that panic because as we have seen on February with the first tariff war declaration, after like minus 20-30% drop, then the market just rally again. So it's something that is not stable for long. So I want to hear you guys from the chat, like who panic sold, who diamond handed, and who bought the dip. Personally, I increase my size, but that is just my personal
Not
personal.
financial advice, but interesting
Yeah,
idea.
yeah, of course. All right, guys.
Yeah, so
I
if
will see.
everyone have some thoughts about that, what you did on that crush, let us know. We're really interested in this because yeah, it was really crazy night.
Yeah, yeah, and also I would like to mention that you know Trump is facing a federal shutdown, layoffs, public purchase, so he is flexing muscle, as we can see read on the articles. I just taking the Yahoo Finance. As you can see, Trump fires federal workers, escalating U.S. shutdown fight. So even from the shutdown, it's a bit chaotic. It's chaos. It's a mess in the USA. But let's be honest, guys. A 100% tariff on all Chinese goods is practically impossible. So I mean, they already have a huge tariff, and if they keep doing that, I'm sure that China will, mm, how you say, counterattack. Will try to put other tariff on USA. So it's a war without ending. So what
Yeah,
what what do
that's
you
that's
think, Dimitro?
yeah, that's good point, Rafa, because it would completely wreck the United States economy. So it makes consumer prices skyrocket, hit tech and manufacturing hard, and of course, because another inflation wave the Fed will not be able to handle at all. So yeah, it's like a statement thing, not a sustainable policy, because once market ditches that, calm of course returns. So yeah, we actually just living in a time where a single quote from the U.S. president can move trillions. It's like really crazy. Yeah. So and what our job as a traders, Rafa? What do you think?
Yeah. I mean, exactly. Uh,
Yeah, it's to read
Fundamentals.
between the lines. That's
Mhm.
that's that's the main idea.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, so what we would do now? Panic, sell everything, and hide in the hoods?
No way. No, 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 no. This is exactly when smart traders stay calm. So moments like this separate the emotional traders from the strategic ones. So we are strategic ones. Yeah, I hope everyone is. And yeah, while the crowd is selling in fear, the big players are quietly accumulating. And exactly what you did. Yeah, Rafa.
Yeah, exactly. Fundamentals haven't changed, guys. Crypto adoption keeps growing. Spot ETF are here. Regulations are clearer, and institutional interest hasn't stopped. So actually, it's accelerating. So even Trump himself has hinted at the idea of digital currencies as part of the future monetary system.
Yeah, so instead of reacting emotionally, this is the time to observe, plan, and actually position yourself wisely. Because as we know, volatility is opportunity. If you know, of course, how to read it and how to use it for yourself.
Right, right. Wise words. I like them. Take note, guys. I know that already you know, but um, it's good to hear different point of view. So, all right, guys. So let's wrap up with three key takeaways for today. So yesterday's crash was triggered by Trump's usual market theatrics, and the fundamentals of crypto remain strong. No apocalypse, no collapse, no apocalypse now. That is just a movie. This could be a great buying opportunity for those who missed the last train, but no financial advice.
As
Um,
always.
yeah,
Yeah, and
the
the key is actually the mindset. Yeah, so don't let headlines control your emotions because so we can say like that. The market is like the ocean, and you can't stop the waves, but you can learn how to surf. Yeah, that's
beautiful. Yeah, beautiful say, Dimitro. Beautiful say. All right, guys. So that is all for today live, friends. Is all for this special live. Thanks for spending your Saturday morning, just 30 minutes. Now we going back to do some scalping.
yeah, yeah,
And yeah, thanks for having me here on Altrady. Stay calm, stay focused, and keep your charts ready because the next setup might already be forming.
yeah. Have a great weekend, everyone, and yeah, remember, stay safe, stay smart, and stay crypto. And thank you, Rafa, for having me here. So we'll see you in the next live.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Dimitro, for having joined here. Scalping live.
Not today.
Next, yeah, next week, Heidi. Today we just going on some analysis, as you can see from the banner down here. And scalping live is gonna be next week. And yeah, thanks
Yeah,
everyone, and we see you the next live. Thanks, Dimitro, for having joined this live. Was
yeah.
great
Bye bye.
time. See you, see
Thank you,
you.
Rafa.
Yeah, see you, trader. Yeah, thanks, Hai. Thanks, everyone,
Yeah,
and
thank you, Heidi.
good trade to everyone. Bye.
Bye.